Welcome to 16th lecture of integration. Now this is IT Math series. What I am going to tell you today is important for IT Advanced. Integration. In integration, syllabus of 12th board and IT is almost same. But what we get new in IT Advanced? What we get new in IT Advanced? Actually, questions of IT Advanced is of typical type. I have given the name of this form, irrational functions through trial method. From form 1 to 15, where I have written 12th math series and advanced 16th IT math series. Just to give the emphasis that this type of question is starting IT advanced. If you have basic knowledge of 1 to 15 or good knowledge of 1 to 15 form, probably that would not work. Probably, there is chance, less chance. Probably that would not work in IT advanced examination. If you see the pattern of IT advanced examination as far as indefinite integration is concerned, I will discuss question of 2002, 2006, then 2012. You will find that there is a typical way to ask the question. Irrational forms through trial method. Though this is trial method, यद्यपि ये trial method है, but there is some specific way to think how it can be adjusted, how data can be adjusted. I have dealt two of the questions which are given in NCERT in last class. Is there any specific working rule? No. In different books like Meron, I.A. Meron, he has written a lot of method for the irrational forms, but I do not go for that. I just try to boost your intuition, your intuitional power. That is for IT Advanced, and this is the most precious class that I have generated for you and for IT Advanced examination. If you can adopt this one, surely you can do question of IT Advanced as far as indefinite integration is concerned. However, the truth is that IT Advanced rely more on definite integration, the bodies of definite integration. But let's enjoy this. Is there any working rule? Yes, one working rule. Try to adjust the data and make the substitution so that irrational expression is removed, or we can get irrational expression which can be integrated like this. Removed, or you can say simplified. Simplified means what? This one is irrational expression, root t. This is simplified. This can be integrated. Otherwise, use the substitution of form 9. Substitution of form 9. Form 9 याद होगा आपको. If required. If you feel no, this can be solved through substitution of form 9, there are forms, then you can do for this a sin theta, for this a tan theta, for x square minus a square, a sec theta, and so on. But in today's class, I will try to concentrate on this, try to adjust the data and make the substitution so that irrational expression removed or simplified. I have done this question, 1 or 2. For this question, what I have done, I have taken t to the power 6 is equal to 1 plus x. What is the reason? This becomes t cube and this becomes p square. Irrational term expression is removed. irrational terms become rational. In this question, what I have done, actually I have taken x to the power 4 common. So that I have taken what? X to the power 4 common. So x to the power 4 common means x to the power 4 to the power 3 by 2. This is x5, 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. When I take this t, this is a part of dt, this some land constant, and term is simplified. I would like to continue this lecture on this very adjustment. See, question number 3 and 4 on Friday for IT. They are on same adjustment. You have to learn it. If you try, if you want to write, please write it. No, especially. There is no much difference in IT main and advanced. I think you have written this question. But this is the main difference. This is the main difference. And you have to learn the pattern of question of IT advanced. And try to keep practice those points which is asking IT advanced. Come to question number 3. Simple. Five by 4. What you will do? You will take this x square common. This x square common means what? This x square common means x square to the power 5 by 4 common. 1 plus x square to the power 5 by 4. This is what? Simplify it. 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 3. dx 1 by, no. I did mistake. 1 by x square plus 1. Yes. 5 by 4. Now see, this is what? This is x cube. 1 by x square plus 1 to the power what? 5 by 4. If you assume t, let t is equal to 1 by x square plus 1. Then what you get? You get dt in terms of this. You get dt in terms of this. Why dt in terms of this? Because differentiation of this is minus 2 by x cube. This, etc. Rest you will do. I will give the question and answer again in assignment section. Like 12th math series, I would not reach to final answer in many questions. Now you have to keep yourself smart. 12th में मैं हाथ पकड़ कर बनवाता था, but no, you are going for IT advanced. You have to make yourself strong so that you can do all this at your own strength. Now, come to the next one. Next question. Question number 4. This question is from IT Advanced. Okay, 3. If you want to write, you can write. Number 4. This question is asked in IT 2002. I have question bank, I have question. I don't remember data. Let's see. The question is integration x to the power m plus x to the power 2m plus x to the power n multiplied by 2x to the power 2m plus 3x to the power n plus 6 to the power 1 by m dx. X greater than 0. Okay, just to define exponential or you can say power function. This was asked in IT 2002 main examination. Now, see rational function and see the adjustment. Complete trial, need practice. How? See. It's easy for me. It's easy for me right now. But when I go through this question first time, I went through this question first time way back in 2002 in my initial teaching career. I have taken 3 or 4 minutes to address the data. And that you have to learn. At that time I have taken. Just I am I am just talking you very honestly. I have taken, but this time, since I have done this many times, this is now easy for me. But first time, I also take time. Anyone can take time. Actually, we have to just search on examiner mind what he want from you. That to penetrate in examiner's mind. See, actually what we have to do. Take 1x common from here. X to the power 3m minus 1, x to the power 2m minus 1, x to the power m minus 1. This is x and this is 2x to the power 2m plus 3x to the power n plus 6x to the power 1 by n dx. Now see this one. Now adjust this in this side. When we do this adjustment, what we need? We need a multiplication of x to the power n. Why this power? Can you tell or guess? Dx. This is because x to the power m upon 1 by m. Power and power cancel. This is x. This is x. 2. When you take 2 inside, this is 2a square x. Suppose 4 into cube root of t. When you put this 4 under cube root, you have to do what? 4th root of cube. Like that. Now, this is x to the power 3m minus 1 plus x to the power 2m minus 1 plus x to the power m minus 1. And this one is, this is 2x to the power 3m plus 3x to the power 2m plus 6x to the power m 1 by x. Now take t this. dx will be adjusted here from here. How? You see? 1 or 2 steps. More is required. If you want to write, you can write. Pause and write. Let t is equal to 2x 3 to the power n plus 3x 2 to the power n plus 6x to the power n. What is dt? 6m x to the power 3m minus m plus 6m x to the power 2m minus m plus 6m x to the power m minus 1 dx. Okay? Take 6m common. Take 6m common. This is what? dt by 6m. And this is x to the power 3m minus 1 plus x to the power 2m minus 1 plus x to the power m minus 1 dx. Now, is it dt? This and this, it is what? dt by 6m. It is what? dt by 6m. So what will be the integration? What will be the integration? Write this step now. What will be the integration? See this step. This is what? This is where t to the power 1 by m. This is what? This is dt by 6m. See this one and this one together. This is dt by 6m. Now you can integrate. 1 by 6m t to the power 1 by n plus 1 upon 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And put the value of t. Have you seen the adjustment? This is the adjustment. This you have to learn. And in maximum case, no one tells you. आपको कोई नहीं बताता. What do you do for IT advanced? This is for IT advanced. Try to keep practice this type of question more and more. Then you will be comfortable in IT advanced. Then let us see. Let me move further for next one. One more question for IT. Okay. Next question number 5. This is from IT. Actually, this is objective one. Question number 5. The question is x square minus 1 by x cube root over 2x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 dx equals. See this one, very interesting. Like this one, very much like this one. See what we do. We take common, which term common? X to the power 4 means x to the power 4 root over. Here is 2, here is minus 2x square plus 1 by x to the power 4. These two will give x square minus 1 dx upon x to the power 5 x square into x cube. This is 2 by x this is 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now what is this? 1 by x cube minus 1 by x to the power 5 dx. And what is this one? This is 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now assume this as t. This will be adjusted with dt. This is the way. So sir, how do you think that we have to take x to the power 4 common? There are, when you go through practice, there are one or two options. When I got this question first time, this is from IIT 2006. First of all, I have taken common x square. It was on trial method. I have taken common what? X square. Then I find that no, data is not adjusted. Then I have taken x square. Then I was sure. With intuition, I was sure either x square is taken common or x4 is taken common. If you do practice, you will also get this type of intuition. Now, when I discuss IT, I will share my experience very honestly. What I do, sometimes I also do very silly mistakes. It's human. Okay, now let this is t, then this is t, 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4. And what is dt? It's 0. What is this differentiation? Minus 2 to plus 4 by x cube. And what is this? Minus 4 by x to the power 5. You can differentiate yourself. Then what is this? What is dt by 4? Let me raise this step. What is dt by 4? dt by 4 is 1 by x cube minus 1 by x to the power 5 dx. From 1. This is 1. From 1. What is integration? From 1 the integration is dt by 4 root t. You have root integration 1 by 4 2 root t plus c. Put the value of t. And then similarly, I will give you this question in assignment. You will come to final answer what option A, B, C, D is correct. Okay. So this is, you have to set the data. Now I go for some more questions. See this one. See more type of concept. This is asked I think in either 18 or 19. This type of concept, not that one. I will give that question. Okay, come. Now my question number 6, easy one. This is dx by, very easy. This is nothing but form 1. Sir, form 1, yes, it is form 1, nothing else. But still the question has quality. Actually this is dx. 1 by 2x minus 6. I write this. This is 2x minus 12. Take 2 common. X minus 6. And this one is x square minus 12x plus 35. Multiply. This is 1 by 2 dx by x minus 6. And this one is x minus 6 square minus 1. 36 minus 1, 35, and 36 will adjusted in x minus 6 whole square. So what is this? Direct result. 1 by 2 sec inverse x minus 6. Recall the integration of differentiation of this is sec inverse x square, integration of this, differentiation of sec inverse is this, so its integration is this sec inverse. Okay, very simple. Yes, ऐसे ही सोचना पड़ सकता है. Now come to next one, question number 7. Irrational type. dx by 1 plus x square root over log x plus 1 plus x square. See what you have to visualize. Think what you have to visualize on this question. One liner, but what you have to visualize. See 9 more results on differentiation. See, we know root over a square plus x square, what? Log x plus root over a square plus x square. If we change this a by 1, then this is what? This is 1. And this you have to visualize. This and this is same. This is not the solution. That is, you can say clue. This is the trick. This is the clue, whatever you write. That you have to visualize. So we will do what? We will let t is equal to log x plus 1 plus x square, and therefore dt will be dx by root over. Need not to go for chain rule in differentiation. I have done this type of question in differentiation through chain rule. But since we know integration of this one is this one, since we know integration of 1 by root over x square is log x plus root over 1 plus x square, then its reverse process, differentiation of this one is 1 by root over 1 plus x square. And if you want to sure, go through chain rule, but not required. You are going for IT advanced now, not a ordinary class 12 student. Okay? So what? This is dt. Then what is the integration? Therefore what is integration? This one is what? This one is dt, or this one is what? This one is log t. Let me erase. You can write. Therefore integration is equal to what? From 1. From 1. From 1. Integration what? dt by root t. This is 2 root t and write t as this. Easy. You visualize? Aren't you? Okay. Move for next question. This one is very important as far as I am concerned. I will make a little bit more discussion on this question and listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. Come to question number 8. dx by 4th root of x minus 1 cube x plus 2 to the power 5. Special type. Special type. I have taken this question from the book of I and Aaron. This is the special type. You can note two or this book I use, this book I use in IT lecture. One is Thomas Finney, my favorite book. And not required, you can go for this one only. Thomas Finney are not required for you at this step. But these are my favorite books. One of author is Dorfeev, again Russian author. And many more. So, what is important in this question? What is important in this question? You can see. Actually, this is 4th root, this is 3 and 5. Average of this is there. Average of this 3 plus 5 is there. There may be 2, there may be 6, there may be 1, there may be 7. All the questions have a specific pattern. This type of all questions have a specific pattern. You have to see the pattern. But before that, see one important fact. Before the solution, see fact. Actually, that fact will make your work easy in this question and also in this question. See the fact. What is d by dx of ax plus b upon cx plus d? What is d by dx? This is cx plus d into a differentiation of this into differentiation of this minus what? Minus this is ax plus b into c divided by what? Cx plus d whole square. So finally this is what? Finally this is, I think, AD minus BC. This term cancel. ACx. AD minus BC upon what? Cx plus d whole square. This is constant. This is Cx plus d whole square. That fact you have to learn or remember. That will help you in finding the solution of such questions. You can see and you will visualize why I have made this. Actually, when we differentiate it, numerator becomes constant. Numerator becomes constant, and that will give a lot of advantage. That will give a lot of advantage. What advantages? You can see in the solution of this very question and in the next one. See, fact. Okay? I am just erasing the fact. See. Actually, take common x plus 2 to the power 4. X plus 2 to the power 4. You take common x minus 1 into x plus 2 to the power 4. They are common with 4th root. And now this is what? This is actually 4th root. This is actually 4th root, either like this or this, both are same. When we take this common, this is what? This is x, this is 1 by x minus 1, and this is what? This is x plus 2. Okay? If anyone has problem, this is x minus 4 to the power 1, x minus 4, x plus 2 to the power 4, x plus 2, and whole to the power 1 by 4. This one. This is this one. We take this and this common. We take this and this common. With 1 by 4. This is what? X plus 2. This is what? X minus 1. Okay. Now, this is dx by x minus 1, x plus 2. This power 4 and 1 by 4 nullify each other. एक दूसरे को खत्म कर देगा. And this is x plus 2 by x minus 1 to the power what? 1 by 4. Now, if we assume this as t, then in dt we will get x minus 1 whole square. Remember the fact, recall the fact I have just discussed. If we assume this as t, we get in denominator what? On differentiation x minus 1 whole square. So, let me erase this part now. Not needed. So, we write one more step as this. We write one more stage as this. X minus 1 square. X plus 2x minus 1. And this is what? X plus 2x minus 1 to the power 1 by 4. X minus 1 square, x minus 1. And now we will assume, let x plus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to t to the power 4. Why t to the power 4? This will make this as t. Just to remove a rational. You can also take t and solve. But I have taken t to the power 4. Then, what is dt? On differentiation, x minus 1 into 1 minus x plus 2 into 1 divided by x minus 1 square dx. This is 4t cube dt. Let me raise a question. If you want to write something, you can write. I will erase. Okay? Now see this one. See this one. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3. This one is 4. Minus 3 by 4. No. You can write minus 3 by x minus 1. Whole square. Dx. 4t cube dt. So you can write dx by x minus 1 whole square dx minus 4 by 3 t cube dt. Come to this step. This is step 1. Take as a step 1. From 1, this one. What is this? From 1. What is integration? This is minus 4 by 3 t cube dt. What is this? This I have taken as t to the power 4. And what is this? This is a t. Got very easy integration. Minus 4 by 3 dt by t square. Minus 4 by 3 plus. Actually differentiation of integration of 1 by t square is minus 1 by t plus c. And put the value of c from here. What is t? You have to put t. 4 by 3 into 1 by x plus 2 by x minus 1. Fourth root. 1 by 4. So this will be the answer. So this is special type. I think I recently in 18 or 19 it is asking ID advanced. What do we have to find? X minus alpha to the power a, x minus beta to the power b, and here normally average of a plus b. Normally average of a plus b. Data will be set as this. Now, come to one or two more questions. I think you are getting idea. And for this you need practice. Don't go for initial questions. For ID advanced you make practice of these type of questions. You will get here and there in book. Not given very proper in a book, but you can get this type of question. First of all, try to recognize the question or this type of question. We have to go for it. Now, what is number 9? I have written here 2 by 2 minus x whole square cube root of 2 minus x by 2 plus x. Actually here we will assume p is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Why 2 minus x? Actually this is 2 minus x upon 2 plus x. But since there is 2 minus x square, 2 minus x whole square. So recall the fact what I have written some time ago. Just मैंने क्या लिखा था? This is constant by cx plus d whole square by whole square. So in order to get 2 minus x whole square in denominator, when we differentiate it, we need 2 minus x in the denominator. This is what? This is dt plus dt what? 2 minus x into 1 minus 2 plus x into minus 1 divided by what? 2 minus x whole square dx. See this one. These x cancel. And this is 2 plus 2, 4. dt by 4 is what? dx by 2 minus x square. 2x square. And what is the integration? From 1, this is 1. From 1. I think integration is right at this 2 minus x by 2 plus x. Let me simplify more. 2 minus x square at this. So what is it? This is 2. This is 1 by t cube root. And this is what? dt by 4. Can you do the integration? Do the integration. I will give this question again. Okay. Now, can you think on this question. The question is 1 plus y by 1 minus x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Can you think on it? Can you think on it? Yes, you can. This is let x is equal to cos theta. What I have said, you have to be careful about substitution of form 9. You can't do, oh, this is a rational function, I go for trial. Not every time very question in IT is very hard. Sometimes it is very hard. For this, I am doing this. So, you have to keep basics in mind always. First of all, you try to go through basics through any of the form from 1 to 15. If you can do through it, then it's well. And if you can't do from that, then you go for I have to adjust the data. So this one. Let me give one more question from IT. Asked I think in 2012 or is that you will do. I will give the question and answer. Now the question is, let me see, number 11. Sec square x. Sec x plus tan x whole to the power 9 by 2 dx. There is very interesting fact in this question, and the fact is that, so go for all kind of basics. The fact is that sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x is equal to 1. This is IT 2012. And again, one more question is asked in IT 2014 that is based on cosec x plus cot x into cosec x minus cot x is equal to 1. That I will give you today in assignment. That I will give you. But let's see how this fact. Actually, sec square x is differentiation of what? Tan x. Sec square x is differentiation of what? Tan x. So we have to assume tan x. But we can't assume tan x so easily. What we let assume? We will let t is equal to sec x plus tan x. So what is 1 by t? This is sec x minus tan x. If this is t, this is 1 by t. T into 1 by t 1. Make subtraction. Make subtraction. Let me write here. On subtraction, this is t minus 1 by t 2 tan x. So on differentiation, this is 1 plus 1 by t square dt 2 sec square x dx. Now you can see the data. Suppose from 1, see the adjustment from 1. What is sec square x dx? This is 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by t square. This is sec square x dx 1 by 2 this. And what is this? This is t to the power 9 by 2. Now nothing is left for me, it's for you. What? This is 1 by 2 t to the power minus 9 by 2, 1 by this. And this is what? I think t to the power 9 by 2 plus 13 by 2 minus 13 by 2 dt etc. Have we got the idea? I am getting one more point in mind. I will give you time to time and practice it. See, one more point. The question is like this. Just what I want to tell, this is x square minus x plus 1 like this. I am not going from complete question. Actually what I want to say, you can use this type of concept. Actually t minus x what? X square minus x plus 1 on squaring we get t square minus t square plus x square minus 2tx is equal to what? X square minus x plus 1. Since this is root over, t minus x root over, when we square root over is removed, x square cancel. What we get? We get t square minus 1. T square minus 1 what? T square minus what? Change its side. What is x? X is t square minus 1 by 2t minus 1. Now you can find dx in terms of t. So dx is converted in terms of t. This is t. You can divide anyone easily by t and can solve the question. This type of method you will find that. For this you need practice. And don't try to get 100% on that type of question. It's bad strategy. What I have given you and what you get while your practice is enough. I just tell you in this class, I have just told you in this class what is the idea of, or what is the idea to tackle questions in irrational frame. That's all about integration, indefinite integration. Actually definite integration, still definite integration I have to do, I will do it. And at the end of definite integration, I will do reduction formula. As far as IT is concerned, as I have told in the mid of class, that IT is more rely on definite integration. Definite integrations question are asked more in IT than indefinite. So you make your preparation from 1 form to 15, which I have written towards is clear. This is IT Maths, just a new point for IT Advanced that you have to do. I think you have enjoyed integration. Do it again and again. If you are getting any problem, go for all the questions I have done in class many times. You will never face problem many times. Just you have to remember all the questions. Remember means you have to practice many times that you can get it on your fingertip and then you will get no problem. That's enough. All for board examination, for IT Main, for IT Advanced. Okay? We will meet in next class. Okay? Thank you.